Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Today's video is so exciting because T3 Micro just came out with a blow dryer brush. I don't think you guys understand how much I love blow dryer brushes and how much I love to try new ones. And T3 Micro, one of my favorite hair tool brands, just came out with a new one. Actually, this is the first blow dryer brush that they come out with. My natural hair is pretty curly. I'm gonna insert a video in here so you guys can see what my curly hair looks like when I wash and dry and style it and all that. So this is the T3 Micro AireBrush Duo, and it's a duo because it brings two different attachments. But yeah, it brings a paddle brush attachment with boar bristles and nylon bristles, and a round brush attachment with boar bristles and nylon bristles, just how I love it. So I'm gonna open this up. So I don't know if I'm going to use the paddle brush attachment too much, but it looks like a very nice big paddle brush attachment. It has, like I said, the two different type of bristles, perfect for my natural curly hair, which is like super thick. This is interesting. I'm not sure what this is for, but I guess we're going to try this attachment as well and see how it works. And then this attachment, the round brush attachment, I am too excited for this attachment because I love round brushes on my natural curly hair. This is what the base looks like. It's very different. It's not like your typical, you know, Revlon blow dryer brush, or even like the fake ones, or even other ones that are made in the same like manufacturer. This one has a different shape. It's definitely different than the Revlon. It has a swivel cord. It has 5 different heat settings. Wait, hold up. Let me read a little bit more about this because I did not realize that this had 5 different heat settings. That is incredible. It has 3 different speeds and it's a pretty big size. I'm actually gonna try this one first. So I'm gonna unlock this. Super easy. I promise this is not sponsored. This was sent to me because I am working with them for another project, so stay tuned. I don't know if I can talk about it yet, but I'm excited. But this video is not sponsored. They never paid me to post this video or anything. So yeah, I just really wanted to try it and do first impressions with you guys here in my YouTube channel, because you guys get to see everything first. You already know. So the paddle brush attachment is supposed to give you a more smooth, straight look, and then the round brush attachment is supposed to give you more like a bouncy blowout look. I am going to use the round brush attachment, but I am going to try this one just to see how it works. Okay, so let's turn this on. Okay, so I just put it in the highest heat setting and the highest speed, so let's try this with the paddle brush. Feels very gentle on my hair. Okay, so here's the first section with the paddle brush attachment. I love it. I feel like I left my hair so smooth and it dried it super quickly. My hair is completely dry. It doesn't feel damp or anything. Sometimes when I use other blow dryer brushes, I feel like I have to do so many passes to be able to get it completely dry, but this one is completely dry and super sleek. I could maybe use a straightener if I wanted to be even more sleek, but I think it looks great. So far, I love the paddle brush attachment, but now let's move on to the round brush attachment, my favorite. I'm so excited. I really hope that I love this one because I am trying to find a nice blow dryer brush that is kind of like my go-to brush. I love the DYSON AIRWRAP, but that round brush attachment is too tiny for me and it doesn't have the 2 bristles that I'm looking for. So this one seems like it might be the one. Fingers crossed. So I'm gonna do the round brush attachment on this side just to get a side-by-side comparison of the 2 brushes. I'm gonna detangle my hair with my Julie brush. I love this brush because It really does detangle my natural curls so quickly, and it doesn't pull my hair, so I'm going to link it down below if you guys want to check it out. So now let's do this side with the round brush attachment, also in the highest heat setting and the highest speed. Okay, so here's the side with the round brush. I feel like they look almost the same. I do like this side a lot better because I was able to shape the ends a little bit more with the round brush. But if you want to dry most of your hair with the paddle brush and then going with the round brush just to kind of like shape your hair a little bit, you can totally do that. That might be even easier for you. That might dry your hair even quicker. But I think I'm just gonna stick to the round brush and do all my hair with the round brush because it just works for my curly hair and I just love it so much. But yeah, so far I love this. I'm gonna do all my hair and I'll be back with the final look. Okay, I am all done blowing out my hair and wow, my hair is so sleek. It has so much volume. Like, do you guys see that shine, that volume? I just love this blow dryer. I don't even feel like I need to use a straightener after this because my hair just looks so sleek. I mean, it is pretty humid outside. It is the summertime, so I might need a straightener just so that it doesn't get poofy. But if I were to just use this in the winter, I don't need to use a straightener on top because, wow, I mean, look at my hair. I have literally no waves and it just looks so nice and healthy. I need a haircut, but you can't even tell because this was able to really shape my ends super well. And I just really enjoyed using this blow dryer brush. I think this is going to turn into my go-to blow dryer brush just because I love the round brush attachment. I love how this felt so gentle on my hair, and I like the size of this round brush attachment because I did feel like this shape of the brush gave my ends a lot more of like bounce, and this brush was able to get very close to the roots, which I really like because my curly hair, the roots are just, they're hard to get straight. They're pretty hard to get straight. So yeah, this one worked very well on my curly hair. I am very impressed. Very impressed. So yeah, I would say that it took me at least 45 minutes to do all my hair, but the results are super nice and I don't mind spending that extra 15 minutes to get a nicer look. I am just very impressed with the final look. And yeah, I'm very excited to have this in my collection and to use it as probably my go-to blow dryer brush. Can't believe I'm saying that. I am very happy with the results and I will be definitely using this again and again. And this is definitely going to be my go-to blow dryer. I totally recommend it, especially if you have very thick curly hair. I mean, this works on all hair types, but for my thick curly hair, it just smoothed out my hair so well and it was very easy to use. I just really enjoyed using this. I totally recommend it.